Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Right now, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, guys, as you can see, finally, the level that we have discussed in a couple of weeks have been reached. So market has reached this 12 even area. And it's difficult to overestimate the importance of this level because really high stakes from the technical point of view stand around this area, because this is in fact the key for medium-term trend on the gold market. If market will survive here and turn to the upside, that will open the road to the 1340 area. So that will mean that this trend is still valid, and market stands in the bullish trend, and that's just a retracement of the bullish trend. And in this case, market could rally to the 1340 area initially, and even to the high levels later. If market will fail here, it will tell us that the previous trend has been broken. And initially, market will continue to move lower to the 1130 lows, but later it could even continue action to the next target around 1080, 1050 area. That's why it's a very significant level to watch for. Meantime, right now we will try to resolve our tactical riddles, tactical trading tasks. Because as we said, at the first touch of this level, market probably will show some significant bounce out of it. And very probable that market really could reach this area, because this is monthly pivot point. Previous lows, as you can see, was low, retracement and downward continuation. Gold market likes to do a couple of things. First of all, gold market likes to show the deep retracements, and 1250 is almost the 618 retracement from this move, deep retracement. Second, market likes to retest previous broken lows and tops. So here you can see it was top, breakout, market retested it with this retracement down, bounce up, breakout, and again it could retest it right now with these lows from this opposite side. Also, guys, this will be a very significant area. It's a monthly pivot point, and we'll take a look daily every bot. That's why this will be our tactical target. So if we would like to take the long position, we probably will use this level as the potential target of this action. So approximately this is approximately the 30-35 bucks per contract. So not small move in reality. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see that market almost completed this ABCD pattern that creates an agreement and makes this level stronger. It's 1618 target. It now stands at the first bounce out from this area. Also, you take a look that MACD gives us also the bullish divergence, right? At the strong rock hard support on the daily time frame chart. So right now, guys, I think that we could try to search possibility to take the long position and some retracement down. Stops should be placed below the 1618 extension target, because you can see market hasn't quite touched it, and if it will return right back down and touch this level, we should not be washed out by this action. That's why stop should be placed somewhere below this level to get more confidence, get more insurance that our position will survive if even market will return it back down and form something that will look like the double bottom or something of that sort. Right now, market stands at the first fib resistance, 1224. There's a former lows also. So some retracement down could start in the nearest hours. On the hourly chart, also, guys, take a look that this will be confidence resistance, 1240 area, and take a look. That will be our target, as we have discussed on the daily time frame chart, and stands approximately 1250 area. So slightly higher than this confidence resistance. Maybe we will use the confidence resistance as the target just for safety, because that will be also strong resistance, and maybe market will stop retracement here, who knows. We will see how the situation will develop. If we will see this thrusting action to the upside, we probably will take more extended target to the upside. If we will see bit softer action, more lazy, more gradual action, then probably it's better to use this level as the destination point for the short-term trading. On the hourly chart, we see initial thrust up. Probably market will turn to retracement in the nearest hours. That's why I think that we should watch for 1206 fib support. Because in fact, this is the first reversal swing after the thrust down, and retracement probably will be deep. So that's our short-term trading plan. Watch for a 1206 area for taking the long position with the stops below these lows. Below, even not these lows, but even below this level. Below this target. It's 1195. So stop should be placed somewhere 1192, maybe 1193, somewhere in this area. The conservative target that we'll use for this trade will stand right here, 1240. Maybe we later will shift to the 1250, but right now let's watch for this area. So that's the short-term trading setup for a gold market. Is tactical setup. Just until we wait what will happen around 12 even area, what direction market will choose, we will try to use the strength of this strong support on the daily time frame chart and trying to ride on this bounce out from this level after the first touch of this support. So later, depending on what reaction market will show around this level, we will decide what to do next.